Today we're going to be doing a raid video. Okay, let's get started. Let's get to a raid. I don't know if I should go with this one. Skip it. What the? That guy uses hacks, or maybe he just kept going back. Come on, trying to find a good person I think to raid. Okay, this looks pretty good. Wizard Tower. Yeah, this looks like a good one to raid. Okay. First, I'm gonna probably trying to find a certain one. Okay, yeah, this one looks good. And what the hell? I'm just gonna do this messed up one. It looks hilarious. Get in from here. Oh yes, I opened it. Go for those as well. And drop that right there. And hope. There. And it looked like that raid was a fail. So yeah, now see you next episode. Bye.